Dang. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Amrit World. So, as you guys know, as a video, I challenge myself, it's a kind of impossible if you think, normally, but when you try to do that, I think it's possible. Khan bhai, kya haal hai? I'm planning to run from Riga to Burj Al Arab. It sounds like crazy, maybe you guys think so. This guy has become crazy now, but I always want to do that 1K. I always want to challenge, push my limit. And as I work in Nike, there's always a tagline that there is no finish line. So I feel like let's give a try. If I can't, I will take bus, I will take metro, I will take taxi to return back. But they're on the pioneer. So when I check in Google Map, how long it will take to reach from Riga to Burj Al Arab, it shows like around 27 kilometers. That's a lot, If you're gonna achieve that one, it's 27 kilometers. But let's go. In last 5 days, I already run around 52 kilometers, and my target is to complete 170 kilometers within this my vacations. I'm already like halfway through, So let's go. And this is where I'm going now. This is my Riga area. अनि अब चाहिँ म दौडिन सुरु गर्छु. कानमा एयरपोर्ट छ, कान अब जान्छ, दौडिन्छ. सो भेरी इजी स्टेप. यहाँबाट अब के अरे त्यहाँ कोर्निच, पछि बोर्दुबाई, अनि माथि सतुवा, माथि जुमेरा हुँदै म बुर्ज अल अरब पुग्छु. Fuck, I'm already scared. Just thinking I'm already scared. So let's go. So guys, almost 1.5 kilometers is done. I am here in Corniche, the Dera Corniche. You guys can see a cruise over here. और यहाँ पर सिधै अगाडि इन्फिनिटी ब्रिजको भन्दा अगाडि त्यहाँ त्यो छ के अरे टनल, त्यहाँबाट छिरेर चाहिँ आई विल रिच टु बर्दुबाई एरिया. त्यहाँबाट सिधै सतुवा, जुमेरा, बुर्ज अल अरब. So be with me and let's enjoy with my journey. Okay? So guys, behind my back you guys can see is Al Ghurair metro bus. Al Ghurair bus station, and there we have Al Ghurair metro. And here we have a Sinagashir centers. Another mile is Snapship. Now my next target is Satwa. Oh my god. And I have to reach Satwa. So Riga we go to Baipigu. Now I need to head straight to Satwa. So be with me and see with my journey. Till now I almost cover like 5-6 kilometers. Okay, so guys, I am here in the main big intersection, So I need to cross that way. The back part cross over. I'll go reach to southwest side. You guys can see on the back it's the Burj Khalifa, guys, where I'm working in Nike down to Dubai Mall. अब चाहिँ म यो क्रस गरेर यो क्रस गरेर जाँदैछु. यस्तो लगाएर छ बाहर. I don't know where I am, but I can see the clear view of Burj Khalifa and all the hotels over here. So I think I am very close to Satwa now, and Satwa area. This is Satwa area, and your side चाहिँ Bordubai and this area. And here is the beautiful breathtaking mosque. अब मलाई चाहिँ I need to go that way, straight, and I'll reach the Jumeirah side. फाइनली इन्टरिङ इन्टु मेरो एरिया है सबको एरिया सक्यो अब चाहिँ इफ आई क्रस द्याट बिग फ्ल्याग अफ UAE then I finally enter to मेरो area. So almost there, but I cannot see the Burj Al Arab till now, still very far, almost 10 kilometers is still far away from here, I guess. So but I never lose the hope. I'm keep walking, keep running, making vlogs, so be with me. Where's flag? There's flag. Oh, so guys, just now I see my map, I need to go. यहाँबाट चाहिँ बच्चा मेरो पछाडि सिधा कहीँ पनि बाङ्गो नाङ्गो नहेर सिधा गयो भने So guys, म यहाँ just now दुईटा अरबिक गाई लोकलहरूले they saw me and they was waving their hands. So guys, as I continue, I have to go straight. And you know how many kilometers left still now? It's still 14 kilometers left, guys. So from here to Burj Al Arab, I need to run still 14 kilometers. Okay, so I'm not होपलेस होइन म आत्तिको छैन बिकज मेरो भोलि छुट्टी पनि छ पर्सि पनि छुट्टी छ होइन Can you see my back? See what's that? Burj Khalifa. So पानी प्यास लागेको छ and I will see if any grocery I'm gonna have one water होइन अनि okay. So guys, you know what good thing about running around Dubai? You will see mugs everywhere, so there's every 1 kilometer there's a mugs. I was planning to buy water, and just now I saw mugs. I went inside, I freshened myself, and I found drinking water. So मजाले पानी पियो, fresh भयो, and फेरि निस्क्यो. That's a good thing when you're running in Dubai area, guys. So you don't have to worry about how to get water if you don't have money also. Or if you have money, you'll find everywhere. If you don't have money, if you see mugs, go inside, fresh yourself, drink water, come outside. Now we are here. You guys know that flag, that means we are officially in Lamer area, flag चाहिँ Lamer area ma छ के अनि more to go, Lamer area. And this is me, and you can see on the back Burj Khalifa. So almost we are there, I think now maybe 10 kilometers baki. I will see and I will update you guys. So that's another milestone to achieve, I know that place. I came so many times on that flag area. So still we are on track. I need to go straight again, very straight. Okay. See. And here we are. Oh. So guys, I want to say something about what are the benefits. I mean, some pros to run in Dubai area. First, 110% safe, wherever you go, whichever place you go, not only in Dubai, the whole UAE, I guess, 100% safe, easily accessible for all transport, bus you will find anywhere. You have to carry your road card, bus, if you're tired somewhere, if you get tired, you think that let me get metro, let me get taxi, let me get bus, easily accessible. Grocery everywhere, and एकदम के अब even if you the best thing is if you feel so hot, you want to take some rest, you will find lots of bus stations where you will find AC. Inside bus stop there is AC. So those are some pros होइन, some advantage or some of the benefits भन्ने के भने, but things you will find only in Dubai I guess होइन. The first is safe. Wherever you go, 110% safe. अनि yeah, so that area is all sea होइन, समुद्र आइसक्यो, बिचेर आइसक्यो. But my target is to go in straight to the Burj Al Arab होइन. अनि फर्क्ने बेला चाहिँ I'm gonna make again one new vlog of Kite Beach. Okay guys, so see you होइन. I need to focus on my destination होइन. Still I have like 10 kilometers, maybe 10 kilometers to go होइन. See what I told you, पन्तीलाई चाहिँ फेरि ठ्याक्कै भेटिरहेको. So I don't have to buy again, I don't have to spend money के. Just what I love running in Dubai area के. पानीहरू, एसीहरू ठाउँ ठाउँमा के गर्ने भयो, मलभित्र पैसा गर्ने भयो, बसभित्र पैसा, पानीको लागि छेउछेउमा बाटोबाट पानी पाइन्छ. अनि सो अब हिँड मजाले, पानी पियो, वाट यु वान मोर, नथिङ. 5 बजे हिँड फेरि दौड. थ्याङ्क यू सो मच दुबई. So if you guys tired, you can see it's a beautiful place to sit also. थाक्यो भने यस्तै मजाले बस्न पाइन्छ कि. I told you right, this is Dubai. थाक्यो भने बस्न पाइन्छ, गएर भयो भने एसी छ, के अरे पुरा रोड के अरे बस्छ भित्र. पानीको लागि ठाउँमा पानी छ. What you want being a runner? Still 8 kilometers guys. You will not believe what I'm going to show you right now. The bridge which I always see from metro होइन, मेट्रोबाट जुन ब्रिज मैले देख्थ्यो, today I'm saying live that bridge and I'm gonna cross that bridge. So it means if I walk to Sheikh Zayed road, I already crossed the business bay. किनकि यो पुल जुन म तपाईँहरूलाई देखाउन गइरहेको छु, that can be seen only from business bay to on passive मेट्रोसँग देख्थेँ कि. Oh my god, oh my god. I hope there is a traffic to pass on that side. Guys, ready? So this is what the best point of doing vlogging के होइन त. त्यो चाहिँ यति टाढा हिँडिसक्यो कि बाफरे. almost cross the business bay metro station guys. म तल गएर क्या कन्फ्युज भएको, कहाँबाट जाने होला, पुरै बाटो ब्लक छ. थाकेर एउटा मैले चाहिँ गाडी के अरे स्कुटरमा रहेछ, त्यसले अनि देखाइदियो बाटो होइन त. ला 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 यहाँबाट सिधै क्रस गरेर चाहिँ maybe I can see some part of Burj Al Arab, but no, still there is no any sign of Burj Al Arab, but you can see all the main Emirat buildings and from that side. तल झर्ने रहेछ, त्यहाँबाट फेरि तल जाने. यस्तो खतरा डेभलप गरेको देश बाफरे, हेर्दा पनि लोभ लाग्छ भर्खर. कस्तो कस्तो के बनाइसक्यो. हामी भनेको अझै भेरी स्टिल देयर गाइज होइन. यस्तो मजाको छ. पता नहीं कहाँ हो, but all these things are from my way to reach Burj Al Arab. दामी नि त, यस्तो मजाको. That looks so cute. झोकिरहेको साँच्चै लगाइरहेको. दामी हाट. Hi. Quick update guys. Just now I checked my map and it shows still 4 kilometers left. I feel hungry man. I need to buy something. I need to fill my stomach. खाना नखाए निस्केको. I need to buy something to fill my stomach. अनि हेर्नु अझै हिँडिरहेको छु बाटोमा ओके यस्तो दामी हो सो दिस इज ग्रोसरी त्यो चाहिँ ग्रोसरीमा गएर के किनेर आउँछु गाइस क्विक अपडेट another milestone I reach Kite Beach so if you see on my back that's a Kite Beach guys so म जहिले त्यहाँ आएर चाहिँ नहुन्थेँ होइन अनि I have still planned to make a Kite Beach vlog होइन अहिले भ्यायो भने first let's finish the first destination होइन I have to reach Butchalarap I have to come back again to Kite Beach to make vlog if I can yes, I will definitely make a vlog of Kite Beach right now I have something to eat I'll eat first guys okay see you guys इतना खुशी यार इतना खुशी sorry I can see the top part of Butchalarap oh my god I'll show you देखियो finally I'm there guys I'm there so guys I can see now the whole Butchalarap is far but still to खुशी हुन्छ नि जब you walk so many miles I mean kilometers to reach there अनि त्यसको टुप्पो देखेपछिको खुसी हुन्छ नि oh my god I cannot explain I can see you my friend oh my god अब चाहिँ जिउ पनि देख्यो पुरै है अहिले टक मात्रै देखेको थियो जिउ पनि देख्यो wait I'll show you guys ए देख्नु भयो so we are close अब चाहिँ मेरो आँखाकै अगाडि छ आँखाकै अगाडि so इतना खुसी मेरे को कभी नहीं हुआ था हल्का जस्तो सो होइन अब त यसो हेऱ्यो भने त्यही के हो त्यही हो अगाडि नि जाऊ अब त त्यो हुन्छ थकान त्यो पीडा त्यो खुट्टाको दुखाइ त्यो सबै हरायो क्या मेरो त अब खाली त्यहाँ गएर मजाले फोटो खिच्ने हो भिडियो इन गर्ने हो एन्ड I'm planning to make one more vlog of Kite Beach होइन त्यो चाहिँ still I need to go back to Kite Beach that will still takes me 4 kilometers I'm planning to do that also guys होइन yeah my friend I can see you wanna see guys wait almost my friend here it is our destination कति छेउमा देखिन्छ देखिन चाहिँ we still need to walk 3 kilometers I think this is the first time in Dubai I think in Dubai only I walked this much of far होइन but when I was in Salkhema I did like almost 22 kilometers straight from Alhambra Mall to Al Naim Mall त्यो त पुरै राति भइसकेको थियो अँधेरो भइसकेको थियो के अरे मनोहर दाइले के अरे मनोहर दाइलाई मैले म्याप पठाउनु लागेको थियो त्यो हिँड्दै त्यो त हराएको पनि म अझै झन् फेरि बाटो फर्केर आएर फेरि त्यो अर्को बाटो फलो गर्दै पनि हिँड्यो म यो चाहिँ त मान्छे बाटो द्याट्स दुबई गाइस रसगाउँ भनेको वान अफ द सिटी नै हो बट अलि सुनसान छ कि त्यहाँ चाहिँ यहाँ त दुबई गाइस 24 hours झिलिमिली okay so oh I can see you guys you can see it त्यो मेरो बास्न आएको मासुको कस्तो मेरो बास्न आएको मासुको जामा लाउने अरे हेर्नु guys you can see that so finally होइन हेर्नु त Butchalarap I just had made a thought to walk from Riga to Butchalarap होइन यदि मैले त्यो सोचेर मात्रै बसेर नाटेको भए I still be in my room होइन बट मैले सोच्यो मैले कोसिस गर्यो र मैले पुऱ्यायो अनि सक्यो पनि. द्याट्स कल्ड नेभर गिभिङ अप एटिट्युड के भन्ने नेभर गिभिङ अप एनर्जी के. अनि नाउ आई accomplished one of my blog or one of my एउटा हुन्छ नि shows that I always thought to do होइन. पुग्यो. अब म यहाँबाट बाटो क्रस गरेर त्यहाँबाट सिधै गएर त्यहाँ फोटो खिच्न सघाउँछु भिडियो. जब देखूं तेरी लाल बिच्छी चकिया तू राहे जगदा आइसक्यो डेस्टिनेसन. त्यो अब मस्जिद पछाडि चाहिँ मेरो डेस्टिनेसन हो. साइज आइसक्यो त्यहाँ. यो चाहिँ वाइल्ड वादी हो गाइस होइन. सबै हामी खेलेको अस्ति. यु गाइस डिडन्ट सी माई भिडियो वाइल्ड वादी वाटर पार्क प्लिज गो एन्ड वाच होइन. इट वाज फुल अफ एडभेन्चर्स थियो कि वाइल्ड वादी चाहिँ एकदम दामी छ. हेर्नु भएको छैन भने मेरो च्यानलमा गएर हेर्नु होला वाइल्ड वादीको भ्लग पनि. सिधै गयो भने मेट्रो पनि छ आउनु लागिसक्यो भनेन मैले. इफ यु गो यहाँबाट के अरे मल अफ एमरेट्सको मेट्रोमा त इफ यु टेक ट्याक्सी होइन जम्मा 12 दिरहम 10 दिरहम मात्रै उठ्छ 10-12 दिरहम. आई डिड बिफोर न. सो म रिगा टु मल अफ एमरेट्ससम्म हिँडिसक्यो. हो माई गड. Here we have wild wadi guys. So guys, the wait has finally over होइन. अब अलिकति सिधै के अरे राइट टर्न गऱ्यो भने we are in our destination. Oh my god, इतना खुसी इतना रिलीफ मेरे को कभी नहीं हुआ था. So अब अगाडि राइट टर्न then there we are, the one and only 7-star hotel in the world, Burj Al Arab. Ready? Let me turn the camera. अब यसरी फुत्त राइट टर्न गर्ने. हेर्नु 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 हेर्नु. ओ माई गड. अन्त so guys, finally we are here in front of Burj Al Arab and my foots, oh my god, I've walked almost 24 kilometers from Riga to Burj Al Arab होइन. according to the Google it was showing 27 but I know so many shortcuts away होइन. So it takes me 24 I guess. I'm gonna reveal the total distance that I walk होइन. अनि finally I'm here. आज चाहिँ म भित्र जान पाइँदैन because my boss is not here होइन. When he will be here I can go inside. I already made so many videos of Burj Al Arab inside होइन. You guys can go and watch in my channel. अनि that's it. So here I am now. I need to go back again, but I will take a bus. I think I will take a bus. I will take taxi. Bye bye.